Hi Sharon, we're gonna teach you how to do the Hoyer sling, okay? Under you, and then we're gonna Hoyer you up in the air and put you in a chair. This is the Hoyer sling. This is actually a shower Hoyer sling. There's many different kinds. This always goes down on the butt. This goes underneath her legs, down by her knees. And this goes up towards her head. Tags always go to the outside on all of them. All right, we're gonna roll you over and get you all ready to go. Yep, we're gonna go towards the end area. It might not feel very comfortable at first, but we'll get it figured out. Okay, there you go. Come back this way. Okay. Okay, on the Hoyer sling, there's straps. The red is for you to be able to sit up and you're gonna go in your recliner, so we're gonna use the red ones. So the top is always on red. Okay. And the bottom part of the Hoyer, you always wanna go green because you want your legs to be down lower. Okay, I want you to give yourself a great big hug. And now we're gonna go up. And then if we're gonna move you, you would open up the legs of the Hoyer to give yourself more balance. And we can move you.